Business intelligence and data discovery are evolving from specialist enterprise-only tools to integrated self-service solutions that empower data-driven decision-making at any level of the organization. Today's business environment is not compatible with a variety of different legacy tools and siloed planning applications. To reliably be prepared for the future requires smart, responsive, integrated processes incorporating robust data governance. Acterys empowers the business user to automatically integrate all relevant sources and build and manage the required models and processes for analytics and financial planning in one integrated solution, enabling powerful simulations to identify the factors that are driving the success of the organization with a 360-degree view of the future. Acterys utilizes a single version of the truth, scalable and secure platform in the cloud or on-premise, built on the market-leading Microsoft Business Intelligence ecosystem. A comprehensive integration with Power BI and all your office productivity tools ensures alignment of the organization towards their strategic targets in all aspects of daily operations, not just another island application used by a few. Communicate and gather real-time insights, performance metrics and forecasts in all office components, native Power BI visuals, and a live two-way Excel integration on the web and mobile devices. Tailored workflows and a flexible